We're here at the Integrated Marketplace DC, the warehouse of the future in Carlisle, Pennsylvania.
This operation is big, 1.2 million square feet, 30 acres under one roof, or the equivalent of 27 NFL football fields.
And it really has a huge campus environment here. There's over 7 million square feet of warehousing. That enables us to have labor share with other CPG partners and enables us to be flexible with our labor force in the peaks and valleys of our demand.
Just off of Interstate 81, and we are 8-hour drive from basically the Northeast, from Maine down to North Carolina. We schedule in 95 trucks a day and we schedule 95 trucks a day out. We case pick approximately 35 to 40,000 cases, and we pallet pick approximately 3,500 pallets each and every day.
The current route to markets that are in the Integrated Marketplace DC are direct store delivery, warehouse delivered, and branch replenishment. We also have value-added services as we bring product from overseas and repackage it for the U.S. market.
All of the Lou Biscuit product that comes from France, as well as we do reconfiguration for warehouse clubs. This facility also enables us to ship product that's fully palletized. We come off the line, put it through a stretch wrapper, palletize, and it goes straight on the truck.
It's a lot easier. The pallets are already ready. All we have to do is just pull it off the truck with the hand jack and get a signature.
Here at the Carlisle facility, safety is first. Our safety initiatives include our PPE, such as safety goggles and safety vests, our various training programs, and our safety procedures.
Each shift we start at the beginning, we offer safety tips, and at the end of each shift we have each associate stretch prior to going out to begin their daily work.
And I'm proud to say that since our DSD branch has moved into this facility, we've been accident-free.
So the warehouse of the future is really going to position us in a world-class competitive advantage, as it'll enable us to have more multiple categories and multiple channels all in single locations.
This is the warehouse of the future.
I can.
I can.
We will.
We will.
It's our time.